Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Lika mobile eSIM step by step. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option labeled cellular or mobile data. Then tap on it. Scroll down again and select Add eSIM or Add Cellular Plan. You'll see two options: transfer from nearby iPhone or use QR code. Choose use QR code. Now simply scan the QR code provided by Lika Mobile. If you don't have a QR code, tap on enter details manually instead. Then enter the following information like SMDP address, activation code, and confirmation code if required by your carrier. Once you've entered all the details, confirm and wait for your eSIM to be activated. And that's it. Your Lika mobile eSIM is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.